Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I hope before you go, if you haven't already, you will subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever I post a video. I have a seafood boil today, y'all. Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so hungry, so let's eat, y'all. I'm just gonna go right with this crab. I got some Dungeness crab. I got some shrimp, some eggs. Let me get right into it, 'cause I am hungry. Ooh. So good. Making mess already. Trying to get all my meat. How is everybody doing? I hope everybody is doing well. Ooh. No, you don't want to come out. The crab don't want to come out today, y'all. This is gonna be messy. Messy eating, y'all. Messy eating. I have been craving seafood. I've been waiting for this all day, y'all. Lots of slurping going on. Spicy. Go for this egg, y'all. Give y'all some egg. Some egg. Some full shrimp. Did y'all see that? So what y'all been up to? What y'all got going on? I'm not gonna talk much, y'all. I'm hungry. Ooh. But how have y'all week been going? It's Thursday. Almost Friday, y'all. We almost there. What are y'all gonna be getting into this weekend? Do y'all have plans? I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. Y'all, I know I keep saying but it's so good. And then I've been craving it, so extra good right now. Extra good. Is my face messy, y'all? I don't know. Let me wipe it. I think it was. I want some crab. Make some crab. Thirsty, but it's so good I don't want to stop eating. It just seems like lately I've been craving seafood and chicken wings. Oh no. So the next video y'all see from me after this one might be some chicken wings. I've been eating a lot of chicken wings, but I'm not tired of them yet. And then after that, I have a few more challenges to do. Eat this other egg. That egg be so good in that sauce. I'm trying to hurry up because I need to make it to the store. Well, I don't need to, but I want to make it to the store and back before my husband get home. That's what I'm trying to do. I don't know if that'll happen, but I'm gonna try. Mm. Eli, what are you doing?
This funny video.
Ooh, did I splash y'all? I'm so sorry. I didn't mean it. My lens probably dirty. Let me check it. Hold on.